Hey there, welcome back to Homeboss Lady YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating evolution of societal roles, specifically looking at how the typical tasks of a 1950s housewife may seem obsolete in today's world. It's incredible to see how far we've come, so let's jump right in. Back in the 1950s, preparing elaborate meals from scratch was a daily routine for housewives. Fast forward to today, and our hectic lifestyles often lead us to embrace convenient and time-saving options. The rise of meal delivery services and ready-made meals has transformed the way we approach cooking. The endless hours devoted to keeping the house spotless. From meticulous dusting to scrubbing floors on hands and knees, the 1950s housewife had her hands full. Nowadays, we've got smart gadgets and time-saving cleaning solutions that have revolutionized household chores, making cleaning a quicker and more efficient task. The endless hours devoted to keeping the house spotless. From meticulous dusting to scrubbing floors on hands and knees, the 1950s housewife had her hands full. Nowadays, we've got smart gadgets and time-saving cleaning solutions that have revolutionized household chores, making cleaning a quicker and more efficient task. The 1950s were characterized by strict gender roles, with the housewife primarily responsible for domestic duties. Today, we champion equality and recognize that everyone, regardless of gender, can pursue their passions and contribute to both the household and the workforce. It's evident that the roles and expectations of a typical 1950s housewife may seem outdated in the fast-paced, modern world we live in. While we appreciate the resilience and dedication of those from the past, it's crucial to acknowledge the progress we've made in redefining societal norms. What do you think about these changes? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.